Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be illustrating these cute, beautiful and super simple 3 little stars, and to make them I did use this Canson Graduate watercolor paper. This is 250 grams. It is cold pressed and cellulose watercolor paper. For the watercolors today I used ZenArt watercolors, and for the colors only raw sienna, chromium, oxide and magenta. And for the brushes I used this Raphael number 8 round brush and Panart number 2 detail brush, and this no-name detail brush to add some highlights with this art creation all-purpose white paint. You can use if you don't have something like this, you can use white gouache, white acrylic, that's fine, or white gel pen. Anything white opaque that you have, you can use. And lastly, I did use this Micron 03 ink pen to do the inking. And you know what? I think that's all the supplies we will be needing. And without further ado, let's get to our painting. And I will be starting with the inking. So let's just do the outline or go over the lines on my sketch. Just gonna go on top of them like that, and then have this string quite playful little stars. And as for all the previous illustrations in this series, this sketch is also available for download on my Patreon, but you can definitely join in for free. And if you join for free on my Patreon, you will gain access to the free sketches for all of those illustrations. So I will put the link in the description, guys, for you. So if you would like to check it out, you can find it there. But I will, before I move on, I will just do a little bit more of the details to those little stars. Just slightly embellish it. Like that. Thicken some parts of the lines. That add a bit, maybe some dots. Just to make it a bit nicer and more interesting, right? Like that. Again, a couple of more dots here. And this one. Like that, and then a few more. Just a couple of embellishments to that little star. making those lines a little bit thicker and not so completely clean. Like that. Looks so cute. So I'm gonna finish with that for now, but I will start with the watercolors. And for the watercolors, first I'm gonna spray just a little bit of the clean water. Maybe some of the paint will bleed when I start to paint. So I do have from the previous project a little bit of the raw sienna here, so I'm gonna paint in my first star with the raw sienna. Get maybe a little bit more and do some couple of splatters with the raw sienna. For the second one, I'm gonna use green. This is Chromium oxide. So just gonna add that green, and on some parts I will paint it a little bit darker and leaving also some highlights. And for the third one, I will be using some magenta. So but I will add just a tiny bit of the raw sienna to that magenta, just to slightly tone it down. So like that, rinse my brush and then just slightly soften a bit more of the magenta. Rinse my brush and then just like that, drop that paint in. And I will get a little bit more, actually I do have here some magenta, and do some couple of splatters and some couple of splatters with the Chromium oxide. Like that. And just a few splatters with just a clean water, and I can switch to a smaller brush. Let's just see how it will behave if I will be having some issues, because I do see some water sitting on top of my paper. So like that, I do want to add a bit more of that pigment and make it, as I said, a little bit more saturated. But I can see here I also have quite an amount of the water. Like that. Let me just dry that. So it's now dry, and I will add just a little bit more of the raw sienna mixed in with some sepia and also a little bit of the green mixed in with some magenta. Like that, just in a few spots, a little bit more, and then some magenta. Rinse my brush. Like that. And just a tiny bit more of the splatters, but not with that. Like that. And what I would do is get a little bit more of the raw sienna, and I will paint in these with the raw sienna, and I can just finish it off with a little bit of this art creation. This is all-purpose paint, so I will just add few highlights onto my little stars. Like that, just in a couple of spots. Rinse my brush. And we're done. This was quite simple. As I said, it would be, as I promised, it would be quite simple, and yeah, I kind of love it. I kind of love the simplicity of this one. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today, for painting this one with me. And if you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. And if you think it's worth it, hit that hype button, because that's the way you're gonna tell everybody else that this video is worth watching, and you will also spread the word a little bit and make it more accessible to other people. And of course, make me very, very grateful. So guys, as I said, thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't still, if you're here for the first time, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, check it out. I have lots of tutorials here for beginners and advanced painters, and I'm sure you will find something for yourself. And yeah, that's it. This one was pretty fast. Thank you so much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye!